In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate reverse sales tax in Excel. If you've ever had a total price that already includes sales tax, and you need to find the original, before tax amount, this method is for you. We'll keep it simple and precise, so you can apply it with confidence in any spreadsheet. Start by clicking the cell where you want the original before tax amount to appear. This will be the cell that holds your result. Make sure you know two things before you begin: which cell contains the tax-included total, and what the sales tax rate is. The tax rate can be entered as a percentage, like 8%, or as a decimal, like 0.08. Either is fine, as long as you're consistent. Now type the formula that reverses the tax. Begin with an equal sign. Next, click the cell that contains the increased amount, the total that already includes sales tax, so Excel references it directly. Then type a / to divide. Open a parenthesis, type 1, plus the sales tax rate, and then close the parenthesis. It will look like this conceptually: equals increased amount divided by open parenthesis 1 plus tax rate, close parenthesis. For example, if your total is in B2 and the tax rate is 7.5%, you would enter its B2 1 plus 7.5%. If you prefer decimals, equals B2 10.075 works the same way. The parentheses matter because they tell Excel to add the tax to 1 before doing the division. Press Enter to calculate. The number you see is the original price before tax. Conceptually, this works because 1 represents 100% of the original price, and the tax rate represents the extra percentage added on top. When a price is increased by tax, it's multiplied by 1 plus the tax rate. To reverse that increase, we divide by 1 plus the tax rate. A common mistake is to subtract the tax percentage from the total, but that won't be accurate. The correct inverse is dividing by 1 plus the rate, just like you entered. If your result shows several decimal places, that's normal and simply reflects exact math. Whether you round or format later depends on your reporting needs. Also, typing the tax as a true percentage, like 7.5%, helps prevent confusion. Remember that 7.5% and 0.075 mean the same thing. That's all there is to it. Click the cell, enter the formula using the tax-included amount divided by 1 plus the tax rate, and press Enter to reveal the before-tax value. With this approach, you can reliably back out sales tax anytime you need the original price.